everyone, and welcome back to the Cargo channel, and welcome to another sunny day in the beautiful state of California. Some of you, the OG viewers, would know that back in the day when I was we're in Slade, by the way, when I was fixing this car, I got bit by the LED bug, and I switched almost every single light in this car for an LED light, and I'm very happy with it so far. Sadly, excitedly, I've been bitten by another bug, and that's the carbon fiber bug. After seeing how good the carbon fiber lip spoiler on the like the bumper of my CL looks, I got excited. So I have a big package right here that I just picked up from Suvneer, and we're gonna go to ANN and install it. But first, you know the drill, we gotta stop by Home Depot and get some screws. Ready. That's so funny, I just got passed by a police officer while I was holding the camera. Hopefully he doesn't come this way and decides to change his routine from looking for HOV violations to looking at people using cameras in the car as a violation. We'll see. We're playing it risky today. So, last time we got two longer bolts like these ones, but we figured out which ones not to get. Now we're gonna get the right ones. Yeah, right. I got two packs of these, even though I only need one. And now I'm gonna have to look for some more of these washers. Got some bolts and nuts. Great success. Let's go put that lip on. But you haven't seen it yet. It's the... well, we'll see. Okay, look at this. There it is. And what? Look at that. Look at the carbon fiber. This is the XY lip from Suvneer, and now it's time to go on the car. Okie dokie, so we stopped by at an undisclosed location somewhere here in Santa Monica, because I just wanted you to know how this whole ordeal went by. Silly me, got the wrong bolts again. I could have known if I opened the box that this splitter is a little thicker than the other one, so I got the shorties. I needed the long ones, so Ruben put zip ties on it. I went to Home Depot, got the bolts, and installed them yesterday. So today just wanted to show you how good the car looks. This is the XY carbon fiber lip from Suvneer, and it just looks fantastic. Gives the car a lot more aggressive look on the front end. Now I can't wait to get the rest of the carbon fiber parts on the car, but I'll have to wait because I'm unemployed. I'm unemployed individual right now, so only YouTube revenue helps me buy this carbon fiber parts and fuels my addiction. So guys, hit the like button and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. This part will be linked down below right next to the like button. Yeah, subscribe as well. Subscribe. I need you. Bye.